How to rename files in Google Drive. Here's the easiest way to do it. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. Once you're signed in, click on My Drive from the menu on the left side of the screen. Next, locate the file or folder that you want to rename. This can be a document, photo, PDF, video, or any other file stored in your Google Drive account. Now, right-click on the file or folder. A menu will appear with several options. Click Rename. You'll see a text box where you can enter a new name for the file or folder. Type the new name you want to use. Once you're finished, click OK or press Enter on your keyboard. Google Drive will instantly update the file name. Renaming a file won't affect its contents or sharing permissions. It simply changes the name displayed in your drive. You can use the same method to rename folders as well, making it easier to keep your Google Drive organized. That's it. You've successfully renamed a file in Google Drive. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Google Drive tips and tutorials.